G'day, I'm Matt Hayden. From the moment that I arrived in India, I had a deep appreciation for its people and its food. So today I thought I'd make you up a quick curry. When you think about curry, you think about aromatic spices, but it's never too far away from a good kick of chilli. Like the nature of its fruit, chilli plants like it hot. They're so perfect for growing up here in Queensland. They can be grown in pots or straight from the ground, and will love a feed with Hoselink seaweed tonic once a fortnight during the growing season and plenty of water. Chillies can be picked at any stage, from green to red, but beware, they tend to get hotter as they ripen. In addition to chilli, I love to use the curry leaf tree. It's magic in curries. It adds that really fragrant element. It's easy to grow, you just have to have lots of sun. Today I'm making chicken curry with our fresh chillies, but like any great innings, it's all about the preparation, so here we go. Well, the masala or curry powder is just a combination of spices, but it's also a combination of techniques. The first is actually dry roasting these spices, so this is where the flavour comes from in your curry. Freshly ground in a spice grinder, and it just simply adds the touch of class to the aromatics within the spice, bringing out those flavours. So what we've got here is we've got Kashmiri chilli powder, turmeric, a garam masala, and of course the other dry whole spices which we're going to fry off in the ghee initially. That process is called tempering. First, we're going to brown off the chicken in some oil. After around 5 minutes, remove the chicken and set aside. Now add your curry leaves and chopped onion and fry gently for a few minutes. Then add your fresh garlic and ginger and cook until the onion is translucent. Right, this is the time where this all starts to come together. We're going to then add now our spices. All of our ground spice mix goes straight in. It's a magic time because you get all this great fragrance starting to come out as those spices start to now brown. And don't worry, all the measurements are in the post below. Our spice is now really fragrant. This is an important stage, not to burn your spices. So we've now got to deglaze our pan with water and also some tomato that's been canned. Add your chicken back into your curry, then cover and allow it to simmer for 30 minutes or until the oil starts to separate from the liquid. Serve your curry with rice or naan. And garnish with fresh chopped chilli and coriander. Like the country itself, it's full of colour and of course fragrance. Can't wait to dig in. Really sweet, got lots of spice, that real punch with the chilli. Yeah, it's magic.